Do you ever feel like your to-do list just keeps on growing, even after a full day's work? Guess what? You are not alone. There are tasks that you do every day that you can outsource to AI, saving you time, energy, and even a little bit of sanity. Welcome back to another episode of our Generative AI series brought to you by Plutronix Technology. In our last episode, we talked about AI tools that could be used for content ideas and content creation. But today, we'll be talking about task automation. Whether you're a business professional, tech enthusiast, or a content creator trying to get more done quickly, you are at the right place. Let's talk about 5 AI tools you can use to automate your daily tasks. So the first tool on the list is Schoolgoat, your AI sidekick that handles notes, summaries, and practice tests. Remember that situation where you find it hard to tackle complex assignments and complex schoolwork? Well, guess what? Schoolgoat is here to rescue you. You are studying, teaching, or even trying to learn something new. This AI tool can break things down so that even a 12-year-old could understand. Let's see how it works. So when you log into the website, you click enter to get to the dashboard of Schoolgoat. Now you can see where you can drop your documents, see where you can choose your file, and I'm going to click on it now to choose my file. So I've gone to my downloads to pick the particular file I want from my documents. Okay, so I've selected it and it's uploading my material for me. Now you can see that my material is already in the platform. I've uploaded it. Now I want a summary of this PDF because it is bulky and I want to get to understand it better. So I'll just go ahead and click on summary up there, and you can see that it's generating a summary for me. Now you can see that it has generated a summary for me, telling me about the main concepts, the overview, and the key points from this document, and the likely test topics that I'm going to expect if I'm preparing for an exam. But I can also do more things with Schoolgoat. If you can check up there from where I click on summary, I can choose quiz, tests. Let's see how it can prepare a quiz for me. Generate quiz. You can see that it has prepared a quiz for me that I can use to test my knowledge on this document and how far I've read it or what I know about it. This can help you if you're a student preparing for exams, or you're a teacher looking to set up questions for your students for an upcoming test or for an exam. And then you can also see other tools that you can use up there. You can also prepare notes. You can prepare flashcards if you're studying. You can also prepare a test for yourself. And you can also chat with this tool to help you do your task faster. Next up is Scribe. This tool turns any digital process into a step-by-step guide in seconds. Imagine you need to show someone how to do a task on your computer, just like setting up a new email account. With Scribe's browser extension, you simply hit the record button, walk through the process once, and boom, you get your polished and complete guide with screenshots and instructions. It's perfect for making quick training guides or SOPs in seconds, no extra work required. So when you log into the Scribe's platform, you can see my dashboard already. So I want to create a new workflow. Then I'll click on new and capture Scribe. Then I'll click on new tab. So while it's loading, you can see that it has provided another tab beside the main screen, and that's where it will be showing my captures as I'm showing you the step-by-step. So what I want to create now is a new Google file, and I'm going to show you how to arrange it in a step-by-step format if you want to teach someone. So first of all, I clicked on more apps on my Google homepage, and now I clicked on Google Docs. And now I'm going to click on blank documents. That's by the way, you can see that it is taking screenshots already of my step-by-step process by the side of the screen. And when I'm done, I'm going to click on complete capture to capture my whole document. But that's not for now. Let me finish the step-by-step process. So you can see that finally, I've shown you how to open a new Google Docs file. This is just an example that I'm using. And that's by the way, you can also see that Google has a new AI that can help you prepare documents, whether it is content, resume writing, or content writing. Whatever you want to do that needs you to write, you can see that Google's AI can help you do that. But I'll do a deep dive on that in another video. Let's complete this document now. You can see that I finished capturing everything, and I'll click on complete capture. Now you can see that my Google workflow is ready. I can choose to download it as a Google document. I can choose to copy the link and share it to whoever I want to teach on how to open a new Google file. So you can use this Scribe to teach someone how to use a tool, how to use a software, or how to log into any app or any step-by-step process that someone does not understand and you want to explain it to the person when the person is not nearby. This tool is very useful for you in your daily activities. You can see that now I've gone back to my workspace and I refreshed the screen. And now you can see that I have my new workflow back. I have my Google workflow and my ChatGPT workflow. That's the one I did before on how to use ChatGPT. The next tool is ChatLLM. This is an AI assistant that taps into many large language models, web search, and even image generation. Now picture this. You have a question that needs a solid answer, a report that needs some research, or even a design idea that you have in your mind that you want to visualize. Instead of jumping between AI tools, imagine having one AI tool that can handle it all. That's where ChatLLM comes in. Next on the list is GPTZero. This tool isn't for writing, it is for verifying if a text was AI generated or written by a human. In a situation where you wonder, did someone actually write this, or was it AI? That's where GPTZero comes in. Whether you're a teacher checking assignments, or a writer reviewing content, or just curious, GPTZero can help you check if that text was AI generated or written by a human. Let's see how you can use this tool. So when you log into the GPTZero platform, you can see how the dashboard looks already, but that's not the main dashboard. You can see a tab on the right hand side where you can just use it to check small articles if they are AI generated or written by a human. Let's go to the main dashboard. Okay, now you can see that we're in the main dashboard where we have access to more tools and more activities. So now I'm going to click on New Scan so that I can upload an article that I used AI to write to check if it will know if I used AI to write it or not. So I've picked the document and I'm uploading it. So now I've uploaded the article, and you can see on the right hand side that there are different types of scans you can do on this article. You can do an advanced scan, a basic scan, an AI vocabulary to check for plagiarism, a biography scan, or even a writing review. So I'm going to use basic scan first of all. So you can see that it has checked it and it has seen that most of it was AI generated. And that's how you get to know if a content was AI written or written by a human. This can help you edit your content better so that people won't just see that you're using AI to prepare your write-ups, your articles, your resumes, and whatever. Do you understand? So now I'm going to try another type of scan on it. So let's get a writing feedback on it. You can see that it has given me a writing feedback on the article, telling me where I used good sentence and where I didn't use good sentence, and how I can edit most of the punctuations and make a better article. So you can see that you can use this tool to do more in less time. The last tool on the list is Rick's Resume, an AI-powered resume builder that makes job application easier. Imagine staring at a blank screen, unsure of how to start your resume or make it stand out. We've all been there. But now, Rick's Resume has made job hunting way more easier. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating your CV, this AI tool can help you craft a clean and professional resume within minutes. No design skills or fancy words needed. Let's see how this tool can help you craft a good resume. When you log into the Rick's Resume platform, you can see what the dashboard looks like. So now I want to prepare a new CV or a resume, and the one I want to prepare is for a digital marketer. So now I've clicked on create, and you can see the one that I created already is already there. So now let's make some changes to it. So now I've clicked on it, and you can see on the right hand side that there are lots of templates that I can pick from. So I'm going to choose one template that I like. Okay, so I've picked a template. Now you can see on the left hand side that you can put your name, email, summary, profile, experience, and where you've worked, the summary on your experience. Now you can see that this one that I use now, I don't really like it, so I want to change the template because I don't like the way the experience was put before. I think this one is better. This one summarizes my achievements way better. And now I'm going to go to where I can put my experience. So you can see that this is just a plug and play tool that you can use to edit your CV or create a new one. Very easy, and it gives you a lot of ideas, a lot of templates that you can use to make CV or resume building faster. You don't need to stress yourself. This is a tool that you can use in your everyday tasks. There you have it, 5 AI tools that can automate your day-to-day tasks. Pick one task from your to-do list this week, try out one of these tools, and tell me the one that you preferred the most. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for more updates like this. Thank you.